Ah!
I didn't do it.
What are you doing? What are you gonna do?
Lay it on your face.
Are you trying to put that water on me?
No, you steady.
What are you doing then?
Put that here.
What are you doing?
I was,
Is there water in there?
yeah. Whoa.
Look.
Didn't splash.
Don't splash me, please. Ah! How come it's not coming out?
Because yeah.
What's up with that?
Because it's stuck.
It's stuck in there?
Oh.
Oh.
See? It's not coming out.
Oh. Can you put water in there by yourself?
Yeah.
Are you a big girl?
Yeah.
How old are you?
3.
Oh.
Can put water in it.
Can you?
Yeah. By myself.
Holy. Let me see.
I didn't do it by mistake. Look, I'm doing it.
Oh, good job. You're so smart. Alrighty then. Bye.
Who was that?
Huh?
Who was that?
Who was what?
Who was that?
I'm gonna go sit down now. What are you gonna do?
Oh, my goodness.
Okay, bye. What a cutie.